Hi, it's me again. Last time we made chocolate melting cake and it was good. Today we're gonna make a salad. We're not turning on the stove, we're not turning on the oven. It's called Chattanooga Salad. It's a recipe that I got from my aunt. It's a lot like coleslaw, except that instead of the cabbage, you're gonna use up some chopped up broccoli and cauliflower. It's a great potluck dish, it's a great summer dish, it's a great winter dish, it's great all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and head home. We're gonna make Chattanooga salad. I hope you enjoy it. Grating a carrot. Okay, hi, I'm back. We are making Chattanooga salad. And to do that, I need some cut up broccoli and some cut up cauliflower. And so I'm doing just cutting this up tiny little bits. You can do this in your food processor. You don't have to do it by hand. I don't want to do it in the food processor because I'm new to YouTube and I don't really know how to do that sort of transitioning thing yet. So if you saw my last video, you'll know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so I'm just chopping up both the broccoli and the cauliflower. I want them smaller than bite size. I want them to be about, quarter-inch sizes or smaller. And this is about a half a head of cabbage and about a half of a bunch of broccoli. But these amounts can be changed for any way you want to do it. You can make a great big giant bowl of it. You can make a tiny little, if you just say you just have a little bit of broccoli and cauliflower you want to use up, you can do that too. But this is about how much I normally make. This is something that I make all the time. As I told you, it's made with the same dressing as my coleslaw dressing. So it's something I make at least every year, because we eat coleslaw every year for my family. We have to eat, we have to eat cabbage and ham every year. Now I'm a vegetarian, so I don't eat the ham anymore, but I still eat the cabbage every year. And it's usually in a coleslaw. What I forgot to do first, we need to put our, this is a tablespoon, a little over a tablespoon, I kind of spilled it over a little bit, of apple cider vinegar. And then I have the juice of 1 lemon. And I'm pouring into a half a cup of milk. And I want to let that sit for a minute while I finish chopping up these veggies. Okay, so I think this is going to be good. Again, you could do this in your food processor and it'd probably be a lot less messy. And that's how I normally do it, to be honest with you. Oops. Okay, so this is all going into the bowl. And then we're gonna chop up 1 onion. Two green onions. And I'm gonna cut those kind of thinly. I have also made this many times with, if you could see that, I've made this with red onion too. Red onion's my favorite onion. I use it more than anything. You could use a shallot. You could use any kind of onion you wanted. I'm going to cut these. I want these kind of small. I don't want a big chunk of onion, even though I really do enjoy onion. I don't want a big chunk of it in there. And I go all the way down to the greens, almost to the end. Not all the way. And that's preference. If you don't want the greens, don't use it. I watch many cooking shows, and it's funny to me because some of the cooking hosts will say, "Oh, don't ever use the greens," and then some of them say, "Oh, I always use the greens." So it's a matter of taste. This is 1 carrot shredded with the small shredder. Okay, so it is. You can see it's kind of like coleslaw. And I'm going to be right back. Okay, yeah, this is just very simple, very basic, just like if you'd make coleslaw instead of the cabbage. So if you wanted to use this recipe for coleslaw, you could certainly do that too. So we've got our cauliflower and our broccoli and our carrots and our onion in here. So this is all stuff so far that's good for you, right? I'm going to sprinkle in some salt and pepper. It's about a half a teaspoon of each. And I'm going to put the mayonnaise in with the milk. And this milk has gotten a little bit curdled from having that the lemon juice and the vinegar added to it. You know how they say you can use that as a substitute. Buttermilk, you can put vinegar or lemon juice into milk and you can use it as a substitute for buttermilk. You don't actually get buttermilk. I think that's a misnomer, but you can certainly use it as a substitute, and I've done it. I did see an experiment once where someone used it as a substitute in buttermilk biscuits, And they said that it, you know, wasn't a good substitute for that. But as far as like, you know, anything else you use buttermilk for, feel free. So you just stir it. Add salt, more salt and pepper if you like. I'm on a celery salt kick. I bought this big, gigantic canister of celery salt. And so now I'm putting in everything. I probably will sprinkle a little bit of that in here too. So anyway, and there you have it. It's a great side salad. It's a great side dish. It's great in the summer. It's great in the winter because, you know, you got your cauliflower and your broccoli. They're all year long actually. So everything's all year long here in California. So anyway, there you have it. Chattanooga salad. Aha, you thought we were done. What happened was I forgot to add the sugar. I thought it was really tangy. I was like, well, I don't remember being that tangy. You gotta add a 1/4 cup of sugar, just granulated sugar. Just put it right in with the dressing. I forgot, so I put it in the salad and stirred it up, and it's fine like that too. But you're supposed to stir a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar in with the dressing, and that will make it so much more perfect than it already was. It was actually pretty good like that. It was just real tangy. And I thought, boy, I don't remember it being that tangy. And then I was like, oh, I forgot the sugar. So anyway, it has sugar in it now, and it's even better than it was before. So give it a try. Let me know how you like it. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see, and if there's anything else that I could do better. I'm sure there's a lot that I could do better. And also, if you would like and subscribe, that'd be totally awesome. Thanks.